In this video, you're going to learn how to make a forest of origami Christmas trees. Really cute, really easy, really inexpensive, and you can make them in a matter of minutes. I'm Christine of christinescrafts.com. So all you're going to need is a square of paper. This one is 6 inches square, but you can do them any size you like. Make sure you've got the coloured side of your paper up and fold it in half, one pointed corner to the other. Then turn it and repeat for the other two corners so that they come together. And you'll see that you're forming a cross on your page that runs from one corner to the other corner and the other pair. Now turn your paper over and fold it in half so that you put the two opposite sides together. And get a good crease. Open it up and do the same the other way. And these are all your preliminary creases so that we can fold it up into the square that we want. So at this point, you're going to get one point down towards you and bring a side point down. Do the same with the other point. And then that top point is going to come down too. So you've sandwiched everything down to make a small square. Make sure you've got some nice creases there and it's secure. And then you're going to start to form your branches. So take the front side and bring it down. You don't want both layers, just the front layer to come across and make a good crease. You've just brought it to the center and then open it up, poke your finger inside. You can see it can be a bit fiddly, and then you're going to flatten that down into the middle. Okay, now don't worry, we're going to keep doing that if you're thinking what happened there. So we're going to take the next layer and fold that across. So you're coming across to the center, get a good crease, and then you're going to open that one up and flatten that one down. Now what you'll probably find is that you need to move some of the other layers so that you've got something to flatten onto and you can see quite what you're doing. And we get that one flat. And you can see every time you're forming that same shape. So take the next one, bring it to the center, get a good crease, and then open it up. And you'll see in this video most of my time is spent trying to open it up. Now if you're enjoying origami and you'd like some other projects, then on the screen at the moment is a little card at the top there you can click on and go to my origami projects. But assuming you're still with me, we're going to keep working our way around. That list of origami projects will also be available as a playlist underneath this video. So we're on our final one. We're taking it across to the middle, get a good crease, and then we're going to open it up and flatten it down onto those other layers. And you'll see that is the whole shape of our piece of paper now. And what we need to do is turn it so that our top layer is all coloured. Whatever colour your paper is, the top layer is all that colour. And we now need to look how many layers we've got on each side. And what we want is 4 layers on each side. If we have 4 layers on each side, the next step will work beautifully. You're just going to take that bottom point and fold it up and get a good crease. And then in turn, we're going to fold those inside the bottom of the Christmas tree. Now just make sure you only fold it inside one layer, otherwise it'll restrict your tree opening up in a moment. So again, fold that one in and just repeat for them all. If you're looking for other Christmas decoration ideas, again, there's a playlist underneath of my other Christmas decoration videos and a card at the top at the moment so you can click on and go and see what else is available. But assuming you're still going, get all your points folded in. And that's your origami complete. You simply need to stand it up and now just squeeze it, press it, poke it, make it look exactly how you want, as tight in or as wide open as you prefer. And then off you go, make yourself an entire forest of origami Christmas trees and decorate your home with them as you see fit. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Give me any comments below. And if you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe so you know what's coming each week.